Hi! Welcome to the dance workshop for Our Proud Roots. So this one is a combination of the two things that we found you've liked the most about this project. Number one is you've really enjoyed the playful obstacle course type workshops, so we're going to deliver another one like that. And what we found out the most from you all is how much you've enjoyed rediscovering places that you've known for a while or new places. Finding new ways to have fun in them or rest or chill out. So this workshop is a family-friendly one that explores moving and exploring your outdoor space like an obstacle course. I'm going to give you a little bit more guidance than the other videos. It's going to be a little bit more step by step so that you can try out new things and have some more fun for a longer time. The first thing you need to do is look for an outdoor space. Could be your garden, could be a local park, could be your cul-de-sac, or I'm in some woods today. And find a safe space for you to have an explore in. We're going to be looking for jumping, climbing, crawling, stepping, hopping, balancing. So see if there's some interesting things for you to have a go at. So have a little look for things, find a good spot, and then I'll take you through to the next stage of our workshop. Okay, hopefully you found a really good space to explore and you're ready to give it a go. Make sure someone's with you so that you can stay safe, and if you get in trouble, there's someone to help you. But we're looking for an interesting space, something or somewhere that you've not explored before or that you'd like to explore again. You're going to put on your favourite piece of music on your phone, and you're going to spend the whole length of that time using your feet to explore the space. Running, jumping, leaping, climbing, stepping, stomping, anything you like. Come back after the end of the song and we'll carry on with this workshop. Here's an example of what I did when I was here last time, just to start you off. Okay, hopefully you've had a good run around and you've explored lots of ways of moving with your feet. We're going to pick your 5 favourites now, and I'm going to run through them with you. So, my 5 favourites are jumping. Think about which one you like the most. I'm going to pick an easy pencil jump. Jumping. My second favourite way of moving my feet is a lunge. I love a lunge, and I'm going to lunge north, east, south and west. North, east, west. I like shuffling, but I like spinning more, so I'm going to turn mine into a shuffling spin. Great. Jumping, lunging, shuffling, tiptoeing. And my final way I like to move my feet is a hop, skip and a jump. Hop, skip and a jump combined. jump. What are your 5 favourites? They could be different to mine. Have a go at putting them one at a time in order. Great, so now you've got your 5 favourite movements with your feet in an order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can put them together yourself, or you can have a go at learning this routine instead. So I'm going to start with my lunge, north, east, south and west, finished with a shuffling turn and a jump. That's the first section of my dance phrase. Here we go. Lunging, north, west, shuffle, turn, and a jump. Next up, I'm going to do my balancing step into my hop, skip, and jump. Let's put that all together. Here we go. North, east, south, west. Spin, 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 spin. Jump. Balancing. 1. Hop, skip and jump. So there's only one thing left to do. Put on your favourite piece of music again and have a go at dancing your phrase or my phrase with it. Maybe even both.